Hello, my dear PhD students. I am Professor Dr. Kamal Bhattacharya, Faculty of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences, Motherhood University, Roorkee, Uttarakhand. In this video, I would like to give you certain clarifications of publication ethics. Tomorrow we have a class. That's what this is. You can say it is prior information for you to hone the skill or brush up the topic, so that our discussion tomorrow, our class becomes fruitful as far as the teaching is concerned, online teaching is concerned. So you are requested to go through the video and keep yourself updated for tomorrow's class. Publication ethics is an international aspect of concern, okay, because in India, publication in respect of research publications, especially research publications, it becomes a matter of serious affairs. Why? Because the ethics that should be followed by a researcher, by a publisher, they often violate these things. That is why you will see very few Indians and research writings get affiliated, get attention, get caught in the eyes of the Western bodies. So it is a matter of sacrosanct, it is a matter of trustworthiness, honesty, discipline. Academic research involves many coordinate steps and process. So whenever I am going to discuss this thing, I will discuss as a whole, not for the soft skill subject like English or Hindi. I will discuss these things as a whole, because maximum the violations, the loopholes, the pitfalls are found in medical, pharmaceuticals and science research cases and background, and they are serious. And I will request from my end to my researchers who are going to discuss research scientific topics, please be honest to you. So appropriate study design, study execution, data collection, data analysis, publications, these are the steps of publications, general steps. While going through these steps and culminating in a publication can be exhilarating experiences. When your book is coming out, brought out first in your life, you are living on top of the world. The committee of publication, COPE, that is on the Committee of Publication Ethics scope. This is called COPE. Okay, and when, WANE, when, it is pronounced as when. Okay, in an international forum for editors and publishers of peer-reviewed journals. Peer-reviewed journals means the journals that are your writings are read by other researchers from the same academic background. Peer-reviewed journals that provide the code of conduct and best practice guidelines that define publication ethics as and advises the editors on how to handle the cases of research and publication misconduct. In this lecture, I will introduce the concepts collectively called the publication ethics, including statutory, which is compulsory, and ethical approval, ethics approval, informed consent, data manipulation, research fraud, plagiarism, simultaneous submission, duplicate publication, self-citation, consent of reproduced published material, ethics of authorship, and conflicts of interest, COI. Conflicts of interest, it comes as COI. I will also try to discuss the repercussion and consequences one may face if such misconduct is detected. Basic knowledge for publishing or writing a thesis is very much required, because you need to have a standard submission for publication. So I told you references, okay, citations. These words often you will get reference and citations. What are the difference between reference and citations? Okay, we used to say daily or regularly citations, reference, all these things. What is the common? What is commonality? It is easier to understand the difference between a citation and a reference. The citation is limited information, point of information. Remember, citation is a point of information, and a reference is a broader aspect of information. Both are associated with academic texts and are pointers of to resources of information. Pointers. This book, that page, that writer. The two are also linked with the citation within the main body. So remember, citation is written in the main body within bracket, and if there are multiple writers of the same content, you should write the name of the main writer, and then after write et al, et al. Okay. The purpose is same, to inform you or inform others about the book, about the point of resource. So this is the basic thematic information about reference and citations. Reference are written at the end of your work. It will come in the last page of the research that you are going to publish, and sometimes you will also get index, okay, or indices in the last page of research, high quality research. You will get indices. That is a very tiresome and very high standard of work. When you are getting indices, that means lot of toiling, lot of work has been done on this thing. Okay. So I was discussing about the publication ethics. Let us deal with first what is COPE, COPE, COPE. Okay. COPE is a non-profit organization. It is an international association and affiliate bodies dedicated to promoting integrity in research and its publication. Crucially, it is a non-statutory body which provides practical publication ethics. Non-statutory means they provide information which you may follow as a guideline. Okay, non-statutory means not formed by any government of any country, and the the rules and regulations are though optimum, but it is not mandatory to follow. So COPE is non-profit organization and dedicated to promoting the integrity in research and its publication ethics. Crucially, non-statutory body which provides practical publication ethics guidance for editors and publishers working in all research disciplines. Founded by journal editors in 1997 as a response to growing concern about the integrity of submissions to medical journals. I told you that medical journals and scientific journals, physics, chemistry, mathematics, pharmaceuticals, these areas are little vulnerable. COPE now has more than 12,500 members all over 100 countries. The mission of COPE is to provide thought leadership on publication, ethics and practical resources to reduce the non-standard practice. Membership signals to authors, reviewers and readers that journal upholds the highest ethical standard in research in publication. APA, American Psychological Association, which is followed by the scientific research domain, and MLA. This MLA is the citation domain that are used in social sciences. Okay. Member of means a Modern Language Association. Modern Language Association. It's the American one. Modern Language Association, MLA. It is followed by the social sciences. Social sciences includes history, political science, English, Hindi, any language, any soft sciences. Okay. So this is COPE. This is COPE. And then comes to another statutory, non-statutory body, which is also an epitome of research ethics. It is called World Association of Medical Editors, WAME, W-A-N-E, World Association of Medical Editors. This is an international virtual organization. Remember, it has got no physical office, but it is virtual. Okay, editors, medical journals. It was originally founded in 1995 by a group of members of the International Committee of Medical Journal, ICMJE, International Committee of Medical Journal Editors, who had grown concerned with the ICMJE had become too small, too serving and too exclusive. Okay, too small, too self-serving and exclusive, who had grown concerned that ICME had become. So ICME as a research body, as a research authority, it needed more hands to deal with the malpractices in research. So it was founded as extra hands to support system, as a support system. It was launched on 16th of March 1995 in Italy. After a 3-day conference that was held to discuss the ways to enable greater international cooperation between editors of medical journals. The conference was attended by 22 editors from 13 countries, founded by Rockefeller Foundation. So this is another concern about ethical malpractices, and that is why the WAME, WAME was established. So ethical how COP. Now I am coming to COP. How COP use the tools. Okay, they use different softwares. Not only that, they have portal with other countries. So if they have some doubts, so if you think that you are writing in India, who will know that I have taken from this book or that book? So in that case, they COP, the members of the COP, if it is coming from Pakistan, if it is coming, writing is coming from Bangladesh, coming from Bhutan, Nepal, Middle East, they sent the link to them and tell them to check it and give feedback. Okay, and so I can also tell about the associated concerns, but in conclusion I would like to conclude here, because tomorrow we have a class. These are this 20-minute videos will be, I think, enough for you to have the concerned knowledge, because you have just started. Many of you might have completed PhD in another domain. However, there is no ending to learning. So publication ethics is not about knowing everything about publication. Remember, I was watching a video of interview of Devi Sethi, one of the great heart doctors of India, as well as in other countries. He told that good students as a doctor, brilliant students, does not make a successful doctor, does not make a very good and a very successful doctor. It is the passion. Knowledge taken from the book or knowledge is sometimes at times it becomes limited. But what will help you? Your passion. So therefore I told, do not worry or not to worry that knowing everything about publication and all ethics, it is not necessary. What is necessary is that when you are writing, when you are typing something, remember that should be from a reliable source and from your own brain. It should be unique. You should be unique. You should be honest and dedicated to your own writing, because it is your baby. It is your baby. So you have to look after that one. Rules and regulations are for human beings. Human beings are not made for rules and regulations. Rule can be mended. Rule can be altered. Rule can be changed. But rule should not be broken. Rule should not be broken. So I hope this input will give you something to chew tomorrow, something to um, storm in the brain tomorrow. We will discuss, we will have a very good class tomorrow, I hope, and please join the class and get benefited. Thank you and have a nice day.